A maritime law expert believes that the Philippines should always be prepared amid the ongoing tension in the West Philippine Sea. Darlene Basingan will tell us why.
China made headlines again last month after it deployed a long-range missile in the West Philippine Sea. And just recently, it admitted sending a vessel at the Jackson Atoll to tow a ship that ran aground in the area. Some fear this may further increase the tension in the disputed territory. A maritime law expert, however, believes that the ongoing tension in the South China Sea is unlikely to escalate into a full-scale war, as some might fear. But despite this, he says the Philippines must always be prepared.
However, that does not preclude the possibility of, say, an incident involving the use of force on a small scale. And given the South China Sea, West Philippine Sea, and the territories, the small territories involved there, that kind of an incident is always a possibility that we need to guard against.
As the Philippines is set to transition to a new administration, Batong Bakal believes the country must be prepared of any crisis related to the West Philippine Sea dispute that may occur while the new president is organizing his office.
Number one, from the time that the decision is rendered and up to the first few months of the next administration, when things are still getting organized, cabinet ministers are getting appointed, offices are being reshuffled, that's a critical time for us.
The Malacanang, on the other hand, says there is no reason to fear that a West Philippine Sea-related crisis might occur during the transition to the next administration. The Philippines is now awaiting the ruling of the UN-backed arbitration court on the case it filed against China. Whatever that decision may be, Batong Bakal says the next administration needs to create a new strategy in addressing the West Philippine Sea dispute.
And we will have to work based on the results of that arbitration. The next administration will have to think of a new way, a new strategy, based on the results of the arbitration, and then based on the new geopolitical landscape that has been created.
Darlene Basingan reporting for Y News.